Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Shure MXA710 microphone and you need to do a soft reset or a network reset on this microphone. Now you're going to want to do this. This is also called a network reset because it's, if you're not having any larger issues with the configuration and everything like that, but you are having connectivity issues, we can do this. And what this will do is it will reset the network IP to the factory defaults so that you can try to reconnect it, from sort of like a new, quote unquote new state. But it's not going to redo all the configurations and everything like that. So what we're going to do to do this reset is you're going to need a pin or something like that. And you're just going to find, sort of on the bottom left, you'll see on the bottom underneath here, you should have the Shure logo underneath the speaker here. And we're just going to come up and find these network lights here. And what you want to do is you want to find the bottom light, and then you want to count over 9 holes. So if this is hole 1, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you'll also, if you find that Shure logo on the bottom of the speaker, basically at the very end of the S, right between the S and the H, and go up, it should also be this hole. And so what you'll need to do is you need to take your paper clip, your pin, or something like that, and you're going to want to push this and wait at least 4 seconds. Push and hold this button for at least 4 seconds, but do not exceed 8 seconds. So after 4 seconds, the LEDs will go red, and then what you want to do is you want to release it, and they will go out, and then they'll turn blue as the unit reboots, and then you'll be able to reconnect it, but it will not be wiped to its factory defaults. If you want to wipe it to its factory defaults, I'll show you how to do that in the next video.